Hello everyone, this is Fazal or Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on cloud computing domain and the title of the project is Dropstore. Let me show you before execution of this project the base paper or research paper of this project. So this is a research paper you can see entitled Dropstore, a secure backup system using multi-cloud and fog computing. Okay, this is the title of the project, and here is the abstract. What we are proposing it, what we are implementing in the multi-cloud architecture. Everything is explained here. And if we scroll down below, we will find droplet in the network architecture here. Cloud layer is there, fog layer is there, edge layer is there. Three different types of layers are there. And the components, what are the components are there of our Dropstore project is multiple devices, okay, which is nothing but edge nodes, okay, will be interacting with droplet, which runs Dropstore, okay, on secure channels, and the data will be stored in different cloud service providers, the in the encrypted format. Okay, all the components have been described here. You can see edge nodes, what edge nodes does. Okay, this is the end user devices that needs to back up and secure the data, like IP, camera, laptops, mobile phones, etc. Droplet is there here. It represents the fog layer, but with some added advantages because of being a personal device. For example, it is fully controlled by the user itself. Hence, it acts as a fully trusted local backup server. So this droplet will act as a local server, okay, local backup server for the user. Public cloud is their entity. The data are collected from the edge devices on the droplet and periodically backed up the several public cloud servers. So data will be collected from the droplet and periodically it will be backed up in the servers. Okay, and the data will be encrypted and divided into multiple chunks in the cloud storage, it says. Next, Dropstore system software is there, where this is the backup system that runs the droplet. Okay, this is the backup system. And okay, these are all the components which we are using in our project. Let's try to understand how this project works. This is the user interface of the project. First of all, let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end technologies, we are using here HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and for backend programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python to develop web applications. Database, we are using MySQL here. I have also tested this in AWS real-time cloud storage. If your requirement is that, let me know. Now, this is the landing page of our project where we have some different elements. For better project explanation and execution, okay, the flow of the project, I will execute all these modules. Okay, 4 modules are there, 4 different users are interacting with our project. So all these users I will execute in different tabs. Let's say edge nodes is in the first tab. Next, droplet, I'll open in new tab. Public cloud in new tab. Dropstore system in new tab. First of all, let's go to edge nodes and try to sign up here. Okay. Phone number, something, country, India, profile photo. Register. Your password must include uppercase and numbers as well. So let me give this password. Registration is completed successfully. Let's try to go to login and try to perform the login here. What if I give wrong password? Let's see what will happen. Invalid login credentials. Okay, let's try now with the correct password. Your ID is pending for registration. So the application response is, it's like the account is not activated from the server. That's why it says registration is pending. Let's see what's there in Droplet. We'll go to Droplet login and perform here Droplet. Username is Droplet, password is Droplet. Okay, sign in and login successful. Pending users are 2, accepted users are 4, total devices 7, total files stored 8. So this is a simple dashboard which we have given for Droplet. Let's go to user management and we can see here there is a user whose status is pending, and we can accept or reject this edge node. Let's click on accept here and the user updated successfully. Let's go back to edge node. Okay, and let's try to log in now. Now you can see the login successfully. This is the dashboard we have given for the edge node. Let's register a device which we want to, okay, register. So we have got some options here. Let's register laptop, select region from in which region you want to store the data. Some regions have been given here. So I'll select Canada Central, and device name, I'll select here my laptop, and IP address will come automatically. Click on add here. Device added successfully. Let's go to upload data and try to check what is happening. Let's select the device here. You can see when I click on this drop down, choose a device, it's not coming here because our device needs to be, okay, authorized and accepted from the other users. Now let's go to the third user, okay, which is nothing but cloud here. Let's log in with cloud and check what we can perform here action. Logged in successful. Here also the simple dashboard. Pending devices, we can see here one device is pending. The one which we have added is pending now. Accepted devices are 7, total devices are 8, total files stored are 8. Let's go to edge devices and we can find here from this IP address, there is a request to add this device. Let's click on accept and it's accepted. Go back to our user and try to refresh here. Now you can see choose a device automatically. My registered and accepted device is coming. Now I can upload the files. So let's try to upload a file here. I select a file, text file. Okay, upload this. File uploaded successfully. Let's try to upload another file. This file is also uploaded. Okay, so text files, image files, any type of files, we can upload it. Now let's see whether the data, I can access my uploaded data or not in view data option here. View data, if I go, I can see there is a file here. I can see there is a device here, laptop, and the device name is this. Total files I have uploaded in this device is 2, and device region is null here because it's not allocated. Okay, let's see view actions, view files. 2 files are there. Okay, 2 files I am having. Now let's go back. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go to this droplet and check here fog layer. Under fog layer, this laptop device has stored some file of this size. And if we go to Dropstore here, droplet fog layer, we can see here this device has some files. Let's click on this view files. And we have got 2 files from that user. Okay, text file and 1 image file. Now let's go to Dropstore system and try to log in here. Login successful. Edge nodes, if we see here, okay, there are three different servers are there. Only three servers are there. Server 1, server 2, server 3. And droplet fog layer, if we go, we can see here also the details about that. So we have got only three regions here: India, Ohio, and Luxembourg. Okay, node locations: Asia, North America, Europe. Now let's go back to our edge node, and we can see here view files option, and files are available here. If I go back, and there is an option here, one touch backup available over here. One touch backup. Dropstore here provides one touch backup of files instantly, immediately, if you want to do it. So let's click on backup here. Select backup server. So I will select here Asia Pacific Mumbai. I have to provide the password for backing up all my data to this server at once. Okay. So let me provide the password here. Backup. So all my data will be backed up at once. Data backed up successfully. From all the regions, the data will be backed up. Okay. Let's see now in view data. You can see here, device region is this, Asia Pacific Mumbai. The data is backed up from other servers. Previously, we have selected Canada, but Canada was not available in the list of Dropstore. And now we have migrated all our data files in Asia Pacific server, and now it's coming. If you want, we can add another device like mobile. In the device, we can have multiple files again. Okay, like in this one device, we have got two files. We can check out those file details here. If you want to remove this device, we can remove it. So this is the best way of authorizing a device and accessing data only from authorized devices. Other users, unknown users, hackers, intruders, anonymous users should not be able to upload the files in the cloud server. This is the major concept what we are trying to implement with this Dropstore system. So let's check out other options. In my profile, if I go, I can check my profile here. If I want, I can edit anything. Total devices are 1. I cannot edit this part. Password I cannot edit, and cloud region I cannot edit. Phone number, email, and my name I can edit here. Got it? Log out. So we have seen here edge nodes, all the actions. Dropstore here we have seen. Okay, all these actions like user management we have seen here. And this is a pending user under user management. Okay. Let's click on reject. Now it's rejected. Fog layer we have seen where it will have the data in fog layers as well. And total files are 2 from this user under the fog layer. And we have seen under the, okay, public cloud, what are the options do we have? Edge devices activation will be done here. Pending devices will come here. We don't have any pending devices right now. Droplet fog layer, how many files are there in the fog layer? If we want to see that, we can check it out here in view files. Okay, 2 files are available. This is the fog layer, and Dropstore system is there, under which we have got edge nodes. How many nodes are there? Okay. In the Asia, okay, India, we have got this number of storage completely all together. In server 2, we have got, okay, 17.434 MB altogether. Europe does not have any kind of storage here. This is edge nodes. Okay, servers, applicable servers, variable availability of servers are there. Those servers, total storage capacity, we are, okay, counting here, calculating here. Droplet fog layer, okay, the same thing. So this was a small project, okay, execution and explanation I tried to give you. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope all the doubts regarding this project are cleared. But still, if you are having any issues regarding the project explanation or execution, you can contact me to the number given, or you can ping me on WhatsApp as well. Okay, so with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.